All right, to solve this equation, we need to first notice that there's absolute value bars. So these straight lines here and here mean absolute value, which means we're going to have to isolate this part of the equation before we can solve it with absolute value. So we're going to move this 7 to the other side first, which is really important to isolate the absolute value bars before you turn it into two equations. So 5x plus 4 is still in absolute value bars equals -5 plus 7, which is 2. Once you've isolated those absolute value bars, then you can split it into two equations. So here's where we do our split. 5x plus 4 could equal -2, or 5x plus 4 could equal +2. So we're going to subtract 4. 5x equals -6. Divide by 5. Oop, that was a little off. X equals -6 over 5. That's one answer. And then subtract 4 here. 5x equals -2. Divide by 5. And x equals -2 over 5. So your solution set probably has the curly brackets. You put your smaller number first, and then your larger number. When you're working with negatives, whatever number's further away from 0 first, closer to 0 second if they're both negative.